to the channel. So first I want to say thanks to my sister. I got this, she got me this welding jacket and hat for Christmas, so shout out to the sister, thank you for that. I want to give it a shot today. I got this tractor out here and I've been wanting to put a hitch on the back of it so we can move this big trailer around without having to hook it all up to the truck and stuff. I'm going to just kind of weld it to, the plan is to weld it to the box blade. So I'm going to have to make up a couple gussets and stuff to make it work. But before that, and try to get the welder set up, I'm just going to cut a couple pieces off and try to stick them together real quick. Let's get to it. Alright, now we're going to grab the grinder and see if we can notch this thing a little bit. Alright guys, so there it is. We managed to stick this piece together. Maybe not the prettiest thing ever, but you know, we're trying to get better. Just got to start somewhere, I guess. I'm pretty sure it'll hold to do this hitch thing we're trying to do for the tractor. So it'll probably be tomorrow, but I'll get the tractor out and bring it around, and then you know, we'll get to work on that. But stay tuned guys, and we'll try to show you as we're doing that. Thanks. Alright guys, so give you a quick look here what we got. I got it stuck up there pretty good. I don't think she's going anywhere. Could be better, but went back and did a second pass on that side. It was pulling some porosities and stuff out on both of them. But all in all, pretty happy with that. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try to take a little piece of tubing and brace from the bottom of this down to the front wall of that. And then that should give us, it should stiffen it up quite a bit, so hopefully that'll help out. Alright guys, we got it finished up. Got everything braced up. Got this little bar that comes down and catches back into there. Can see the welds on that. It's a little bit harder on the bottom side trying to do it upside down. I wish this thing would go up higher, but yeah, I don't think it turned out too bad. Pretty happy with it. Got a little, I don't know, the lighting might not be that good to pick it up, but got it all the way around. So anyway, I'll set it down and let y'all get a shot. We'll see if it hooks up and see how it holds up. Alright guys, so there you have it. Worked out pretty well. Pretty happy with the way it did. That's a pretty heavy trailer over there. It's really got a lot of weight on it. I feel it on the back of the truck quite a bit, so I know it's pretty heavy. But the hitch did good. No problems, no complaints. Makes it a lot easier just to back under it, pick it up, and then you know, you can just go wherever. When you get where you're going, just put the blocks back under it and drop it down. So anyway, yeah, that makes it a lot nicer. I'm gonna take this old trailer here now, and clean it up. Needs a few things. I gotta add some safety chains back to it. I'm probably gonna take the toolbox that came out the back of the truck, and I think I'm gonna put that over here on this trailer. Just kind of make it a little bit nicer than it is. And I might, if I can come up with a plan, I'm thinking about taking on this back end here and welding like a little ramp to it, like a fold flat ramp for the lawnmower. And then yeah, we're pretty good after that. So anyway guys, that's it for this one. Stay tuned, comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.